So we've got these three pieces printed out now, but I've run into three major problems I'm going to have to fix and reprint off. The first one is with all of these connector joints, these ones, and there's bigger ones connecting these two pieces. The smaller ones like this, they snap off very easily, and getting rid of the supports in these very fine areas is impossible, whereas the holes here come out very nicely and just pop out with some pliers and just rip it out and stab the knife in there a little bit. Works well. So I'm going to have to remove these and re-situate or position these around the edge. So instead of having three and two here, I'll probably just have one here and one here. All of these I will have to sand down and cut, because in here not all of the support comes out, so I need a gap so I can get it flush. The holders I designed here to hold in the cord when it's charging just snap off with the supports, so I'm going to make a bit of a different design here to have something coming out just as a support, and I've also widened this hole because the cord doesn't fit through there. So yeah, so this is the update. I have the two side panels which are fine printing out in single pieces, but the two main pieces, which is this piece and this piece, I have cut up into four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and done an update on those connectors, changed their layout a little bit and their height and depth to experiment and see what we got. So yeah, that's the update, and got it printed all out now, ready to go. So this print is just finished with my new method of holding the cord. The fundamental problem that I missed though is it is misaligned, so this needs to be higher. It actually holds this cord perfectly. Imagine it was coming through here, but look how high it is in terms of the controller. So I'm going to shift this whole thing down and bring it up so the cord is the same level of this. So I've widened this gap here, made sure it's at least 7 mil, got about 7.6 on the smallest gap, which is about here to here. And then I have changed the arch by raising it to just over 7 mil as well. I think I got that at 7.4. And you can see here I've created a little arch body that I believe will work well. I decided not to bring the arch body low because I actually raised it further away from the surface, and I'm hoping it'll all fit in there really well.